Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today we are making a traditional recipe from my beloved Bologna. Bolognese cutlet, cotoletta alla bolognese. These are the ingredients for 2 cutlets, 2 pork steaks, breadcrumbs, flour, a cup of meat broth, 50 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano, 3 slices of Parma ham, a knob of butter, 3 tablespoons of Italian passata, 1 slice of lemon, 1 egg, salt and pepper. Put flour and breadcrumbs in 2 different plates. Put in a bowl the egg, salt and pepper, a bit of lemon juice and grated Parmigiano. Beat until well mixed. Dredge the steak with flour. Then dip the floured steak in egg until well coated. Finally, place the egg-covered steak into the breadcrumbs and coat it evenly. Heat the broth in a saucepan. Melt a knob of butter in a pan. When the butter is hot, fry the cutlets 2 minutes each side until golden brown. Turn down the heat and cover the cutlets with Parma ham and plenty of Parmigiano flakes. Add the broth on the bottom of the pan. Cover and let it cook at very low heat for a couple of minutes or until the Parmigiano is melted. Our Bolognese cutlets are ready. Look at that! Now we should put a tablespoon of Italian passata on top of the cutlets. But today we are going to be a little bit creative. I can't wait to taste it. Let's try. It's delicious. This is one of the reasons why I'm so proud to come from Bologna.